Hi everyone. This is going to be a really quick video because I got some mail that I wanted to share with you. This is from another YouTuber by the name of Sewbecca. She had a birthday live stream that she was doing, and when she does her live streams, sometimes she has a raffle during the live stream for patterns, fabric, and other things. So on her birthday live stream, she was teaming up with Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches. And this package is actually from Stephanie. I have no clue what it was or what it is. I wasn't really paying attention. It was the same night as the Olympics opening games, so I was sort of paying attention, but not really paying attention. So let's open it and see what I got from Stephanie Stitches for Becca's live stream birthday giveaway. Okay. Ooh, oh, this looks great. This looks awesome. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so this is the Love Notes pillow cover and mini quilt. So I saw this pattern, I really liked it, but I ended up not buying it just because I just didn't want to buy it. But look, I have everything for it. She sent the fabric and the batting. So that is so wonderful. I'm so excited and happy because I did want to do this. I didn't buy anything for it, but I wanted to do it. I was trying to do other things, you know, finish other projects. I'm gonna do a quick flip through of the fabrics I got. So I have this one that looks like little envelopes. This one that has words that say sweetheart, love, hello sugar, you are nice, sugar and spice. That's cute. This one has like little flower items. Another one of the envelopes. This candy stripe print that's pink, red, and white. Some backing fabric that's just white, and I think this is for the backing. And this is Sugar and Spice by Lindsay Wilkes. So I love all these fabrics. I'm excited for this pattern. Woohoo! Yay! But there's also something else in here. Oh my goodness! Oh, these are 5-inch squares, also known as a charm pack. This one is called After Midnight, and I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get it a better. These are black on blacks. So the first one has stars, the second one are squares, some kind of diamond shape, some kind of circle shape. So it's all black on black, but I love it. I'm wearing black. See, look, it's my colors. I love this. And this one is another charm pack of 5-inch squares, and these are great for baby blankets. These are great for small projects. You can combine them together. And this one is called Roots of Love. Looks like it has roses. My grandmother loves roses. So That's really cool. A lot of different roses and flowers on that. So I love that. I love this. These are the two that I love the most. This one I don't know what I'm going to do with, but I will find something. Maybe something for my grandma. But this is so great. So thank you to Stephanie Stitches and thank you to Sewbecca. So happy birthday, Becca. And that's going to be it. Really quick video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye. See you next time.